The 4-axis shredder is a kind of machine used for fine shredding. It is generally used to process unprocessed raw materials or leftovers to make the size smaller. A representative example is to shred plastic or rubber scraps and use them as raw materials to melt them and then pellet them to remake plastic bottles, tires or trash cans. The multi-function chipping machine is used in the plastic recycling industry and is often used for the crushing of waste large caliber P plastic pipes, bundles of plastic films, large stacks of plastic chips and head materials. Shred the unqualified products into smaller pieces for recycling. Reduce the volume of unprocessed raw materials for mixing with other materials. Shred organic matter to make biofuels. Shred some textile materials to facilitate fiber reuse, such as smashing carpets. In fact, the multifunction chipper is used to shred various solid or hollow materials such as plastics, rubber, tires, fibers, paper, wood, iron drums, waste electrical appliances, waste cables, industrial scraps, and domestic garbage. The common structures of 4-shaft shredders mainly include 2-shaft or 4-shaft shearing type and single-shaft roll cutting type for coarse shredding. Shearing type multifunctional 4-shaft shredder. The more common is the shearing type shredder. It has 2 to 4 knife shafts, mainly relying on the principle of shear and cut to complete the shredding process. The knife structure, see the following figure. The principle of this crusher is to crush objects like scissors. Roller cut grinder. The following figure shows the structure of a roller cut grinder. The machine is equipped with multiple blades on a rotating knife roll, and the fixed blades form an opposite cut to complete the material crushing effect. The principle of the tearing type coarse crusher is to shape the hook to tear the garbage materials. This model is mainly used for coarse crushing. The carpet shredder can put waste carpets and other fibrous materials into the feed port in order so that textile fibers, fiber meshes, fiber felts, fiber tubes, cotton, linen, old clothes, chemical fibers, etc., of any shape and structure can be quickly crushed and combined. Collect these waste materials to turn waste into treasure without secondary pollution. It is made by environmentally friendly and energy-saving crushing method, which has significant investment recovery effect and is economical and practical. It is an ideal processing equipment for fiber recycling. When the equipment is working, the material can be fully and effectively finely crushed in the crushing cavity with high output, low energy consumption, high efficiency and uniform discharging. And when using the equipment, the noise is low, the operation is simple, and the maintenance is convenient. Features of carpet shredder: low speed, low noise, low dust, sturdy and durable structure, impact buffer function, wear-resistant heat-treated alloy steel blade, wide range of materials, low operating cost, and a variety of screen sizes are available. Double shaft shredder, also known as shear shredder, reduces the size of materials through cutting, tearing and squeezing. The shredder produced by our company has undergone years of research and practice, and improved research and development based on domestic actual conditions. We have launched a series of dual shaft shredders with mature technology and advanced design, which are used for the early stage crushing and volume reduction treatment of waste recycling in our country. Provide reliable quality equipment. Widely used in waste plastics, tires, waste rubber, wood, paint buckets, waste home appliance shelves, plastic shell, metal shell, waste circuit boards, waste cables, rubber, leather, large bags, films and other solid waste. Allows limited resources to circulate infinitely. Heavy movable knife, high crushing power. Cutting tools are made of alloy tool steel and wear-resistant mold steel casting, strong and long service life. The frame is thick, resistant to high torque, and very strong. Set, start, stop, reverse and overload automatic reverse control functions. The equipment has the characteristics of low speed, high torque, low noise, and dust can reach environmental protection standards. Easy to adjust, low maintenance cost, economical and durable. The thickness of the tool and the number of claws can be changed according to different materials. Feeding bin. Place the material to be crushed to prevent the material from splashing out and cause accidents when crushing. Crushing double roller. The double roller is equipped with wear-resistant knives. After all the cutter discs are assembled, a spiral knife is formed, and after rotating, each knife is guaranteed the disc is uniformly stressed. The double rollers are fastened to ensure that there is no large gap between the double roller cutter discs, and the material is broken through the hooking of the knife and the squeeze between the double rods. Power system. The feed is driven by a reducer. Material conveyor. Independent power system. The whole is fixed to the crusher with bolts, which can be drawn out as a whole, and the maintenance and replacement parts are flexible and convenient. This type of equipment can directly fix and hook the materials sent into the feed bin by the crushing double rollers. Squeeze and squeeze to complete the crushing process. The working principle of the double shaft shredder is that the main body of the crusher's main equipment is welded with high-quality steel plates to eliminate stress treatment. Overall machining to ensure the stability of the equipment under heavy loads for a long time. The movable knife. Fixed knife. Movable knife material is made of special alloy tool steel forging blanks, precision machining, multiple heat treatments and low temperature freezing heat treatment technology. The overall toughness and hardness can be repeatedly repaired to ensure the cutting performance and service life. The fixed knife adopts a patented hook type installation to optimize the tool replacement function and make the tool maintenance and replacement more efficient. The bearing seat adopts the patented split and dismantle type, which can quickly remove the movable knife, fixed knife, bearing and other parts, easy to maintain and replace the knife. The sealing structure effectively prevents the contact between broken objects and grease, and the liquid material can also protect the bearing and gear weight. The cutter shaft is processed and refined with high-strength and heavy-duty special steel, which is more reasonable with the cutter to provide powerful power for cutting. Performance characteristics of double shaft shredder. This product can shred large pieces, baskets, pipes, plates, wood, tires, scrap metal barrels, and large rolls of film that are difficult to powder by one shaft shredder. Extra thick plates are precision processed combination structure frame, powerful rotating shafted large angle hexagonal column, large diameter and firm input hopper, so you can safely put large raw material. Design and process unique rotary knife in terms of thickness, shape, arrangement, order, etc. With strong shearing force and blade sharp, capable of high efficiency crushing. Low speed operation, low noise and less dust. The cutter is made of special alloy steel, which is This equipment is mainly composed of feed bin, crushing double stick, power distribution control system, discharge conveyor and power drive. The thickness of the cutter and the number of claws can be replaced according to different materials. When crushing hollow materials, a pressing device can be equipped to increase the output. In addition, a rotating screen can be added to control the discharge size. When the double shaft shredder runs at low speed, the noise and dust can reach high environmental standards. Equipment features of the double shaft shredder: heavy movable knife, high crushing efficiency, both movable knife and fixed knife are cast from alloy steel, sturdy, long service life, thick iron frame plate, high torque resistance. Very strong, easy to adjust, and maintenance costs low, economical and durable. The unit output is the theoretical calculation throughput, and the specific use should be based on the actual density and shape of the crushed material. The double shaft shredder, also known as the shear shredder, reduces the size of the material through cutting, tearing and squeezing. This shredder is widely used in waste plastics, waste rubber, wood and other large volume waste shred processing. Chengzhou Shuguang Heavy Machinery Company, Limited, has introduced more than 30 years of experience in manufacturing such equipment in Europe and the United States into China, and improved according to domestic actual conditions, researched and developed, and launched a series of dual-shaft shredders with mature technology and advanced design, which are used for waste recycling in China. Use the early crushing and volume reduction treatment to provide reliable equipment. The double shaft shredder is used to crush plastic, rubber, fiber, paper, wood, large hollow materials, plastic barrels and other large containers and various mixed waste materials, especially metal-containing waste materials, or pre-shredded tools that are easy to wear such as mud and sand. Of scrap. For example, rolls of film, woven bags, TV sets, refrigerator shelves, wood, car and medium-sized car tires and hollow barrels, fishing nets, cardboard, circuit boards, etc. GDB series biomass crusher is a kind of practical mechanical equipment specially used for the recycling and reuse of biomass energy. It is suitable for the crushing and fine processing of biomass materials. It can process the materials to a small particle size at one time and has a large capacity for disposal. Intelligent maintenance, continuous operation and other advantages. It is the optimal equipment for comprehensive utilization of biomass. The equipment cutter is made of imported materials from Europe, with better wear resistance and high shearing force. The equipment is customized according to the actual needs of customers, and the output size can be controlled. The GC series hydraulic coarse crusher is one of the mainstream crushing equipment with high solid waste crushing production efficiency. It is mostly used in the first process of various solid waste crushing. The double shaft coarse crusher is mainly composed of main shaft, blade, middle comb plate, box body, power system, etc. The cutter roller is directly driven by dual hydraulic motors with low speed and high torque. Use the interaction between the movable knife and the middle comb plate to cut, tear, and pull the material to process the material. It has the characteristics of large crushing force, high output, low noise and good stability. It is often used in various solid waste crushing treatment, domestic garbage crushing treatment, garbage volume reduction and other fields. Materials have wide applicability and high